Hi friends, I'm Steph from cheapskatecook.com. Welcome to my kitchen. We're going to make burrito bowls today. Let's talk about why burrito bowls are the best dinner ever. One reason is because they are family friendly, because who doesn't love tacos? I don't know anyone who doesn't love tacos. Next, they are allergy friendly. So whether you have a corn allergy or gluten allergy or dairy allergy or an egg allergy, burrito bowls don't have to have any of those. Sure, they taste great with some tortillas. Sure, they taste great with some cheese. But you can make fantastic burrito bowls without any of those allergy triggering ingredients. I'm gonna show you how today. Real quick, if you like where this video is going, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Next, burrito bowls are very flexible. Whether you are trying to get rid of the tail end of that jar of salsa or a jar of olives, you can use any kind of meat, you can use any kind of cheese, whatever beans you have lurking in your pantry. Burrito bowls are so flexible and so delicious. So I have a post on my blog all about how to make general burrito bowls, whether that's make ahead or stovetop or whatever. But today specifically, I'm going to show you this awesome, easy, Instant Pot, one pot burrito bowl recipe. So literally you put everything into the Instant Pot, put the lid on it, and in 30-40 minutes, dinner is ready. So it's an all-in-one recipe. I've already made it, I can't even tell you how many times. Let's get cooking. It won't take that long because this meal is really fast. Hey, I have a question. What is your favorite taco topping? Like if you had a chicken burrito bowl in front of you, what would you put on it? Green onion, guacamole, more cheese? No wrong answers here. I just love talking about tacos. And that is how you make one pot, Instant Pot chicken burrito bowls. I hope the next time you're scrounging around trying to find something to make for dinner, you think of this recipe and it helps you eat real, nourishing food. Thank you to Kitchen Stewardship for collaborating with us in this video. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button for more ways to save money and eat healthy. Because we are going, gonna sneeze. Not gonna sneeze. And that is how you make, I can't talk.